IPMAT Indore 2022 question. In how many ways can the letters of the word management be arranged such that no two vowels appear together? First, let's see that in this word, how many vowels we have, how many consonants we have. So if I rearrange, if I divide the number of consonants and vowels, these are the consonants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And vowels we have 4, total 10 letters in management. So here the question is no two vowels appear together. Let's arrange the consonants first. We have 6 consonants. I will arrange these 6 consonants first. So the 6 consonants I can arrange in 6 factorial ways if the 6 are different. But out of the 6 something is repeating. So divided by, here m is repeating 2 times. I write 2 factorial. And n is repeating 2 times 2 factorial. If anything is repeating, you should write the number of times, how many times it repeated. Now in these gaps, I will arrange the consonants. After arranging the 6 letters, I got 7 gaps. But out of the 7 gaps, I need to arrange 4 letters. Let's select the 4 gaps first. I've selected 4 gaps. In the 4 gaps, I'm arranging these 4 letters in 4 factorial ways. But 4 are not different. So again, I write 2 factorial because A is repeated 2 times. E is also repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. So this is my answer. Now let me solve this number. 6 factorial value is 720. And 2 factorial is 4. And 7C4 is nothing but 7C3. 7C3 means 7 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3. This is 35. And 4 factorial value is 24 by 4. So 4 6 times, and 4 I can cancel 180 times here. So finally I'm getting 180 into 6 into 35. So 6 into 35 is 210. So I'm getting 210 into 180. So I need to multiply 21 into 18. Look at here how I'm multiplying. 2 into 18, 36, 360. And 1 into 18, 18. 360 plus 18. 360 plus 18 is 378. Look at the way the 378 is there. So this is the answer.